1.
Select 3D mesh or standalone. Cas. Pick a thing. Export diffuse and spec.
2.
Import all images in editor. Resize diffuse to 512 by 1024. Isolate the area you want to be shiny. Delete everything else. Copy. On blank spec image, paste. Fill in the shape with light grey. Adjustment. Curves. Channel green. Pull up a bit. Grey is semi-shiny. Green is super shiny.
3.
Solid is strong. Transparent is weak. Pick one. Export. Save for web legacy. Preset PNG24. All 32-bit on other programs. Back in Sims 4 Studio. Import. Done! Because we're now shiny.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.